Hey, hello guys, it's How to Text Simplified, and in this easy tutorial of Canva I'm going to show you how to create text like so with a outline, so that you get a white text with, like an example, a black outline. It's very easy, just follow along. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your Canva and log into your account. Now from there you head down to your text that you want an outline of, and from there you select it. Now from there you go to effects, and as you can see you got the outline option right in style. Now it usually goes in gray, and here you can change the thickness of the outline, and if you want to change the color of the outline, simply go down to the color right here and select the color that you want. Now here you can select the thickness once again, and if you want to change the color of the inside of the text, simply head down to the main color, the main text color, and from there you select it. Now let's say we want it red, simply press the color that you like. Now that's it. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, but most importantly, thank you for watching.